Guys, welcome to another episode of AE86 Life. Today we're going to finally be putting the GTS tank in the SR5, and that's what we're doing right now. Right now I'm draining all the old gas out of it out here on this beautiful Friday, and then I'm going to put a little bit of fresh gas in it, swish it around, then drain that gas, and then we'll go from there. And then after that I'll put the rest of that good gas into the tank after I get it all mounted up, and then we'll hopefully be able to get the gas tank up in a timely manner. Hopefully can get that done tonight. So yeah, so as you can see, here's the GTS gas tank, and then the SR5 one's over there along with the old fuel lines. Hopefully just gonna throw that gas in the SR5 fuel tank, and then we'll just see what happens from there. All right, so now we're in this point. We have the tank holder somewhat in place, and then the tank itself is also getting ready to go up. Just gonna need to get the nozzle right there back a little bit and then up so it can go towards the gas door. In fact, the next plan of action that would be wise is to open up the gas door, just so if the nose is a little too long or something, I can slip it through so it can widen out. And then hopefully we'll have that through there. All right, so now we have the tank up in position, ready to go. Just needs 2 more bolts, and then we're gonna bolt it down, let it loose, and then tighten down the drain plug right there too. And then we're gonna see what happens. Should be good to go though. So let's hope. So after a few episodes, we have finally finished the first part of the GTS swap, and that is the fuel lines. This is all GTS fuel lines and all GTS fuel tank, ready to roll whenever I get my 4AG. And in the next episodes, we're going to be going over wiring and doing wiring harnesses, and for the inside, for the front, the motor harness, the front harness, and then the rear, and the under dash, the whole 9 yards with that. And that'll be part 2 of my GTS swap. That'll be complete. And then we also need to do something about that disgusting thing. Yes, that's an exhaust. But now it's pretty awesome to just have at least one part done. Many more parts to go, but it's progress for sure. Yeah, it's currently snowing in Pocatello, Idaho. And just got out of Walmart. Got some stuff for a project that we're gonna be working on today for the channel and for my car. And that project's gonna be restoring the Revolver Panhard bar. So we're gonna get back to my house and we're gonna start on that.
Let me make that known, the county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. Home to some of the wildest brothers on the planet, from blue collar workers to thugs and bandits. Got our own slang that we use in our grammar. Corny individuals, we call them bammers. If a nigga trippin', then we say dude is luncheon. Good looking women translate into youngins. Hoopty gets a bucket, so act like you know. We don't care what your name is, cause everybody's Joe. For real though, go goes the music we invented. Chuck Brown, the junkyard, etc. Don't forget it. Who you think had the world doing the butt? DC and PG, recognize nigga what? Born in Maryland, let me make that known. The county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. Born in Maryland, let me make that known. The county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. you bums know about chicken and mumbo, or our world famous crabs that we known for. Every day people be coming here for something like Black Family Reunion and Howard Homecoming, or the Million Man March, just to name a few. Talk shit, you better go like the song Juju. In Maryland without a car ain't shit to do. You short as hell cause the Metro stop at 12. Shout out to Eaton Square and Maple Ridge, plus Sussex Square where I used to live. Although Brooklyn's where I now live at, ain't forgot where I'm from, man, I still go back. Born in Maryland, let me make that known. The county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. Born in Maryland, let me make that known. The county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. Summertime cookouts are the joint, whether you at Walking Spark or Haynes Point. But if you never been, then you wouldn't understand it. Home to some of the fattest booties on the planet. Around the way, girls, them chicks be off limits. Cause every nigga in your neighborhood done hit it. Survival of the fittest, every nigga for self. Southeast late at night can be bad for your health. When the block get hot, better take a detour. Spending the weekend, laying low and be more. Cause these were the streets where I've seen Little B, DC and Maryland, aka the Middle East. Born in Maryland, let me make that known. The county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. Born in Maryland, let me make that known. The county of PG's my home sweet home. Yo, I gotta put it down for my hometown. MD to DC's my stomping ground. Suitland, rock on. Landover, rock on. North and southeast, rock on. Temple Hills, rock on. Lanham, rock on. Yo, Seat Pleasant, rock on. Capitol Heights, rock on. Fort Wash, rock on. Yo, Forestville, rock on. Chevrolet, rock on. North and Southwest, rock on. Yo, Greenbelt, rock on. Mitchellville, rock on. Yo, Bowie, rock on. Up from Marlboro, rock on. Yo, Adelphi, rock on. What be more, rock on. Montgomery County, rock on. Howard County, rock on. Yo, everybody, rock on. Even Virginia, rock on. No doubt, no doubt.